Hello, my name is Kim and you're on my channel. Today we are talking about how to remove unwanted objects and details from your photo with zero skill levels and very quickly. We do not need to install any additional applications, we will only use the free web tool. Let's get started. Go to Hammer.app. Let's see the samples provided by creators, videos and photos. Hammer is a very easy to use AI-based web tool. In the free version you can upload an unlimited number of images, up to 720 pixels resolution. Another advantage, creators assure that your image don't stored on the Hammer servers, but are automatically deleted after a certain period of time, and you no need to worry about your private photo. Okay, let's check the performance of the service on the live examples. Let's fix the YouTube logo first. Now looks simple. Let's try to something more complicated. Okay, I am uploading a photo and trying to remove one of the grannies from the image. Looks like it was. Well, almost. And finally, King's Challenge! Let's try to remove the mustache of Henry Superman Cavill. Yes, it may be better. Anyway, Hammer works good, especially for the free web tool. You will find a link to today's web tool in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, welcome to the comments below. Good luck!